Hi guys, my name is Shirley if you're new here, and as you can tell, she's going to be doing a vlog. I'm always leaving my house and I'm doing a vlog most of the time. The last one I was not leaving my house. This is a couple of days after Hurricane Ian hit Florida. It was horrible. I live on the east side, so it wasn't as bad as on the west side of Florida. But we got a lot of wind. My little mango tree got blown down, but they put it back up. I put it back up. And I'm going to show you what somebody did just before the hurricane started. And they know they weren't supposed to do this, but they ain't left no company name on the stuff. Hold on. Now you see over there, that was a lot. If you can recall, that lot had a lot of trees. It was a whole lot with trees on it. The day before the hurricane, they came and pushed down the trees and left that pile of rubbish right there. If that hurricane would have hit us as hard as they thought it was going to hit us, that wind can move those logs and blow them into all of our houses around here. He knew that. He knew it. Okay, guys, we're on our way to Big Lots. I don't know, is Big Lots around the United States?
I don't know.
I don't know where it's at, but it is here on the east coast of Florida. We're going to just check it out. They gave my sister a 20% off discount. Plus, you can get it off clearance.
Yeah.
But Ian flooded out, not flood like it did at Fort Myers, but it flooded out a lot of area here. We was off from work Wednesday and Thursday. And then we had to go back into work on Friday. That's a big mess all in itself. Well, my job is getting together a truckload of stuff to take over to the West Coast. The West Coast law enforcement officers. So they reaching out and helping. We're always trucking whenever a hurricane hit and it didn't devastate us. We're always taking things around the country. We'll take truckloads of stuff. But this I think they said 27 people have died.
Yeah.
The last count I got from this hurricane. It was horrible. And it came in on the side of Florida that people really wasn't expecting. They thought it was going to hit Tampa. Tampa haven't had a hurricane in 100 and so years. And it went in before it got to Tampa, and so many people, the water was all the way to the roof of a lot of these people's houses because they lived along the shoreline, and the surge from the shore coming into town was like 12 foot. It was a horrible. That's the one thing about Florida I don't think I ever get used to. Hurricanes. I can't get used to them. Back in the day when they used to say, you see Ava, she's always with me. Back in the day when they used to tell us when I was young, oh, a hurricane is coming. It was like a little blow and people would have a party because you definitely would be off from work for that little wind blowing. And then now they're getting worse. They're being catastrophically damaging. That hit New Orleans, hit Texas, hitting Florida, hitting New York. New York had a really bad hurricane went through there. So it's just tearing up the East Coast. It's just tearing up the coastlines. My friend, who was Algerian from South Africa, told us, oh, that's, we say that's Africa spinning off the hurricane to America for taking our people. You know, after looking at the Woman King, it made me know like all of them wasn't stolen, wasn't snatched up. Some of us was given away. But in the Woman King, it also showed that they learned like we can't be giving our people, even though we're fighting against them, we can't be giving our people to the Europeans. And that's when that tribe decided to stop doing it. Giving your people away. I don't know if they knew that the Europeans was going to do slavery the way they did it. I don't know. Because they just, here in America, it was horrid. I don't know how it was in the UK though, but it was horrid the way they treated the Africans when they first came over. And they kept them slaves for 400 years. 400 years. We only been freed 60. I always say that because I always look back in 60s, 68. So like 40 something years, maybe 60. 68 when Martin Luther King, when they did a lot more freedom for us in 68. But before that, they didn't have us as slave and as owners, but we was in bondage still. They still had their knee on our neck. So let's go on into, we're riding down 95, seem to be able to take us everywhere we need to go. Oh, that's you. We're trying to get her off of that pacifier. Okay, I'll see you when we get to Big Lots. I probably won't be able to talk because they probably have music blasting in the store. So I'll see you there. And look here. What you think it's trying to do? What?
A fly.
A fly in the car. Of course it want to rain as soon as we decided to go, but we're still going to run in and run out just to have something to do today. Give it, Sophia. Give it. She got something in her mouth and she don't want to give it up, Ava. What is that? Come on now. I'm going to call your daddy and your mom. Spit it out. Ava! Spit it out. Ava, they think you hard-headed. You hard-headed. Yes, give it him. What have you got in your mouth? I can't see. Get that out. I got it out her mouth. A rock. We don't even know where she got the rock from. That fly is still in there. So guys, we have arrived to Big Lots. That's Bell's Outlet, and then that's Big Lots. Okay guys, we're getting ready to go in. I have Ava and Joyce came with me. I think those are the two people that are always with me, right? Sophia. Hey. Join our team and you'll enjoy extra savings with a 20% off discount on almost everything in store. Big deal. Additional benefits include a same-day. We have enough pumpkin and apples, right? This just made me want a coffee.
Have a roaring good time exploring Jurassic World products now at Big Lots. Spend $20 on Jurassic World merchandise and get 1 month of Peacock streaming service at no extra cost. Then kick back with a big old bowl of popcorn and catch Jurassic World Dominion streaming now on
So we're leaving. Big Lots. We're gonna go to McDonald's and get a coffee, iced coffee, and I'm gonna show you what we purchased. I didn't get anything as usual. We just got snacks.
Hello. How y'all doing?
So I'll be inside the car in a minute. So guys, so I won't have to do it when I get home. We got some Star Mix candy for Ava. They're already open. She eating some. Oh, they got different little shapes. And a cookie scooper, my sister to use. She got this hemp. That was lotion, not just hemp. And I got these, my favorite candy. And then she got this. The camera don't look right. It's looking backwards. And what is this? A peanut butter cream pie by Little Debbie. I never seen one of these.
Me either. That's why I wanted to try.
All right. I'll see you later. Oh, I just want to say, we was at the McDonald's. That McDonald's is in Fort Pierce. Now she know anybody up in Fort Pierce ain't eating no cold fries. Little girl. Ain't nobody eating cold fries.
What's wrong with her eye? Is
Ava-
that a tear? Or is that just something on her face?
A little glitter. Ava's sleepy and we're going to another McDonald's to get her some fries and some chicken nuggets and our coffee.
Oh, I wonder if my dad covers my discount.
Ah,
Oh no, it didn't go through. It should have, but it didn't go through.
did it go through yesterday? My sister loved these McDonald's app, Big Lot app. She liked the app thing.
You get
I don't have none. None.
you get discounts. Discount is a discount.
And then when you get ready to open up the apps when you're in line, it go to twirling like it don't, like you ain't never looked in it before. That's why I never used it. I had McDonald's and deleted. I had Chick-fil-A and deleted. Who else I had? Winn-Dixie and deleted. Publix and deleted. Like it takes too long to open up.
I got them all. I got Publix stuff.
That's sweet.
4168. Yes.
And what can I get you?
A large French vanilla iced coffee with extra liquid sugar. A large caramel iced coffee with extra ice. A small fry and a 4-piece chicken nugget.
The large ice
A large,
vanilla coffee,
yeah,
extra liquid sugar,
yes,
and then a large iced caramel,
yeah, with extra ice.
extra ice. Anything else?
Yeah, a small fry
Alrighty.
and a 4-piece chicken nugget. And that's it.
Alrighty. You can pull the first one though.
It's still real quiet from the storm. The one thing that we noticed, people seems to get in a eating frenzy when stuff start going wrong. Like the restaurants are packed. Like sit down restaurants are packed. A lot of people electricity just came on yesterday, a day after the storm. All right, I'll see you in a minute. We're in our backyard, so you can see we didn't have any damage, except I'm gonna show you what happened to the oak tree. Stood up really well with the wind blowing. It sort of cracked the dirt around it. You can see around the root. And the two little mango trees They didn't bother it at all because that's a little mango and that one. My brother who passed gave us that one. That one just broke out on its own. And my friend from work gave us this one. This took the hardest beating, so we had to prep it up and pull it. But this one took the hardest beating from the storm. But we did okay. We had to take our grill in, so I'm gonna have to go in the garage and get the grill out. What happened? Well, I guess Jack messed up. Jack messed up. He tore up every trash can that was available for him to tear up. And I want to thank you guys for stopping by and watching my video. And I will see you in the next one. Mwah, mwah.